Hi everyone, it's Alice. Now, I wanted to show you the process I made with my networking using Node.js and Websockets. This is the server code that I worked on. This is for now only counts for spawning weapons and movement of the players. Okay, let's start the server. Okay, it's started. Let's restart these. Okay, okay. We have wow. We have our character here. Sometimes it moves way faster because of the lag or something like that. It didn't happen before. I don't know. I just see it the first time. But as you can see, it syncs very well. Like, for example, let me put a shield here and shield here. As you can see, bullets sync really well. Also accounted for this one. Of course, that's my shield, so it won't reflect. What it does here is when any bullet or arrow hits here, it reflects and changes the order of it. So if the arrow or bullet or any ranged weapon is belongs to you, as with the shield, it will pass through it, plus gaining, as you can see, it gains orange, plus gaining fire abilities, so it will burn. Of course, for now I don't have a health system. I have effects, but I don't have an health system or networking, so I won't be able to show that, but I can show the reflections and syncing. It's pretty good. As you can, this happens because of my computer is really heavy right now. Normally it shouldn't happen. So as you can see, sometimes jumps from where to where, because that's how much time takes to communicate. So it needs to adjust where it is. Wow, this is very cool. I like this. Anyway, this is pretty much it. Normally Unity doesn't support WebSockets or Node.js or anything. There is like $10 apps and other stuff there, but they don't build for WebGL. They don't do anything for WebGL. They are for PC or any other standalone builds. WebGL, because WebGL needs a JavaScript background for its builds and doesn't use NetSockets. So I use WebSockets, not NetSockets, and there's another problem. WebSockets are normally one-sided, so they don't keep track of all the players or all the users connecting to them, because their job is literally just getting information from one client and sending it to the same client. But of course, with a bit of an extra code, we can add functions like broadcast and keep the clients as an array and give them IPs and stuff like that. You know, usual things. This is pretty much it. I just wanted to update you on my experimental server. This is actually way better than UnityNet because UnityNet sucks. Most of the calculations here are fully deterministic. That means they are all done in the client side, not the server side. Server only connects. Like when I move, I only send data when it changes the velocity, not like transform position or something like that. As you can see, right now it does not receive anything. Now I'm sending my direction and velocity. As you can see, this first three are directions. No, first two are directions. Second two are the position that I started, and the third ones are no. Oh, second ones are not position. I'm sorry. They are literally the velocity. Sometimes you see this. This is JSON script. This is regular string. I use the regular string for movements because it takes less data and you move more than you fire or something like that, and only when you fire you send the data, not movement is completely client side. As you can see, this is pretty much it. I'm still working on it. This will be a browser game with classes and stuff like that, you know. I'm just going to reflect stuff here for now. Oh, these are all mine. Sometimes there is a glitch, you can see. Before reflecting, it just passes through. It's because of the physics. In Unity, physics are parallel to the everything else with logic or stuff like that. So even though it's starting to calculate the physics, the reflection, it continues to move. So when it calculates and bounces, it moves a little bit further than before already. I'm looking for corrections for that, like making arrows collision bigger or something like that. That can work very well. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is pretty much it. Oh, maybe it's because I'm also adding. Oh yeah, there's definitely a lag problem. Yep, it's because there is something called latency, and in order to sync everything, you have to add what is late to the game, so everyone will be in the same time period, not someone. For example, you're sending a position X, Y, and Z, right? You send it. It takes some time for it to go to server, and from server to the other users. In that time, you may move. I mean, maybe you are moved or something like that, which is not a good thing, because that means in the other side, people always see you one step behind. In order to fix this, we are just simulating that latency with moving forward where you will be, not sending where you will be, not where are you right now, which makes it easier. Of course, there's like problems like that. You can suddenly be incredibly fast or something like that. But as you can see here, it sings very well. Alright, thanks for watching. No, I can't move now because there is no server now.